Right now, many people across Nigeria are shocked and confused because a powerful headline is moving very fast on social media. The headline says the Supreme Court has ordered the instant freedom of Nnamdi Kanu. Once people saw those words, reactions started everywhere. Phones began ringing, social media started buzzing, and many Nigerians began asking the same question. What exactly is happening? Some people are celebrating already. Some people are confused. Others are asking whether this is real news or just another rumor that spread quickly on the internet. As we talk right now, many citizens are paying very close attention because the name Nnamdi Kanu has always been connected to serious conversations about politics, identity, justice, and the future direction of Nigeria. Whenever his name appears in the news, the discussion quickly becomes very emotional. Before we move further into this story, please quickly like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can continue receiving updates and clear explanations like this. Your support helps the channel grow and helps more people understand important African news. Now let's talk about why this headline is causing such a big reaction. For years now, the case of Nnamdi Kanu has been one of the most discussed legal and political issues in Nigeria. His name is strongly connected to the movement known as the Indigenous People of Biafra, often called IPOB. This movement speaks about the idea of creating a separate nation called Biafra from the southeastern part of Nigeria. The idea itself is not new in Nigerian history. Many decades ago, Nigeria experienced a civil war connected to the same issue. Because of that history, any conversation about Biafra immediately becomes very sensitive. So when a headline appears saying the Supreme Court has ordered his freedom, people quickly begin to imagine what that could mean for the country. But let us slow down and explain things carefully so everybody listening can understand clearly. The legal journey of Nnamdi Kanu has been long and complicated. It has moved through different courts and has created strong debates between supporters and critics. Some people believe he has been fighting for political freedom and justice. Others believe his activities created tension that could threaten national unity. This difference in opinion is exactly why the story never disappears from public discussion. Now imagine waking up in the morning and seeing the headline that says, the highest court in the country has ordered his immediate freedom. Naturally, people will react very strongly. Supporters will feel excited and relieved. Critics will begin asking questions about what this means for law and order. Political leaders will begin discussing what the decision means for the balance of power in the country. Even people who normally do not follow politics will suddenly become interested in the conversation. That is exactly what we are seeing right now. The internet has made it possible for information to travel faster than ever before. Within minutes, thousands of people can see the same message and begin sharing it with friends and family. But sometimes information spreads faster than confirmation. This is why responsible discussion is very important. Many Nigerians are now carefully waiting for official clarification about what exactly has happened and whether the Supreme Court has truly made such a dramatic decision. But whether the headline turns out to be fully accurate or not, the reaction itself shows how powerful the issue has become. The name Nnamdi Kanu represents more than just one individual. For some people, he represents political resistance. For others, he represents a difficult challenge to national unity. That is why every development in his case becomes front-page news. If the Supreme Court were truly to order his immediate freedom, it would instantly become one of the biggest political stories in the country. People would gather in public spaces discussing what it means. Television stations would begin running special programs. Political analysts would begin explaining possible consequences. Even international observers would start paying attention because Nigeria is one of the most influential countries in Africa. But let us look at another side of the story as well. Legal processes often move slowly because courts must carefully examine every argument presented by lawyers. Judges must consider evidence, constitutional law, and the possible impact of their decisions. This means that major decisions rarely happen suddenly without long legal preparation behind the scenes. So when people see dramatic headlines online, it is always wise to wait for official confirmation before accepting them as complete truth. Still, the public reaction itself tells us something important. Many citizens clearly want closure to this long legal battle. Some people want the matter resolved through legal appeal. Others want political dialogue between leaders and communities. But everybody seems to agree on one thing. The situation has lasted for many years and people are eager to see a final outcome. This is why the rumor of a Supreme Court order has created such powerful excitement. Now, as we continue discussing this story, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can stay informed as the events continue to develop. When viewers support the channel, it helps us continue bringing clear explanations without confusion or unnecessary drama. Now let's talk about something very interesting. Whenever a legal case becomes deeply connected to politics and public emotion, it often takes on a life of its own. It becomes more than a courtroom matter. It becomes a national conversation. People begin discussing it in buses, in markets, in offices, and online. Friends argue about it during dinner. Analysts debate it on television. The case becomes part of everyday conversation. That is exactly what has happened with the story of Nnamdi Kanu. His supporters see him as someone speaking boldly about issues affecting their region. They believe the conversation about fairness and representation must continue. Meanwhile, critics believe the government must protect national stability and cannot allow movements that could divide the country. Both sides believe they are defending something important. That is why the debate continues. Now imagine the Supreme Court actually announcing a decision that changes everything overnight. The political atmosphere would immediately shift. Celebrations might start in some regions. Serious discussions would begin inside government offices. Security agencies would carefully monitor public reactions to ensure everything remains peaceful. This is how powerful a single court decision can be in a country as large and diverse as Nigeria. And remember, the Supreme Court is the highest legal authority in the country. When it makes a final judgment, that decision becomes binding. So naturally, when people hear that the Supreme Court has ordered instant freedom for such a controversial figure, they react immediately. But again, wise citizens always wait for official confirmation before reaching conclusions. Right now, the most important thing is careful observation. People are watching closely to see what the next verified update will be. Will there be an official statement from legal authorities? Will government officials respond? Will the legal team involved in the case confirm new developments? These are the questions everyone is asking. And as the situation develops, conversations will continue across Nigeria and across the African continent. Before we move deeper into what such a decision could mean for politics, security, and national unity, please once again like this video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next part of this developing story. Your support keeps these discussions alive.